Now it's time to put everything you have learned together and build a project. We're going to build this beautiful video game discovery app. This is a mini version of the Rock website, a popular video game discovery platform. Now, of course, we cannot build all the features you see here in just 3 hours. This is the result of a team of developers working for several months. But here we have several useful features. For example, we can toggle between the dark and light mode. We can search for games up here. We can filter them by genre. Now, as the games are loading, you can see loading skeletons. Take a look. There you go. We can also filter by platform, like PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and so on. We can sort the games. So we have several UI patterns you see in modern applications. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to practice everything you have learned in this course. Now, to build this project, we'll take a very hands-on and pragmatic approach. We are not going to do any kind of upfront design. Instead, we're going to get our hands dirty in code and let the code direct the design. So we'll write a bit of code to get things going, then we'll refactor and improve our implementation as we move forward. So I'm really excited about this project. I hope you are too. So let's jump in and get started.